Hello, this is Marek from Soma Leather, and in this video I will show you how to install our leather front strap for a Brompton bicycle. It looks like this. It's a beautiful leather strap connected with stainless steel bolt. You will undo the nut, take one side of the leather out, and then you want to insert the stainless steel bolt through the hole in the lever on the bottom part of the block strap. You put the leather piece back on. Now you add washer and the self-locking stainless steel nut. You want to screw it in just a little bit. It won't let you screw anymore with the fingers because the self-locking nut has a little rubber insert which will prevent it from coming loose. So I will use wrench, but you can use pliers. So you can hold the nut, and for the screw you will need 2.5 millimeter hex key. You tighten it just enough, just so you see the screw is aligned with the nut, and now you are good to go.